Hello, hello. Okay, so here's the plan. We are working on our bibliography or works cited page. It's the same thing. They're just used interchangeably. I have on this slide, on our reading slides today, I have both Monday and Wednesday's lessons. So let me tell you what that's going to look like. So Monday's lesson is this anchor chart and a brain pop video. You'll click here and watch the brain pop video. Then you'll go here for a quick exit ticket. If you are done with all of your research and you've paraphrased everything and you are ready to roll, then you can move on to Wednesday's lesson that shows you how to do your bibliography. Today's lesson is more of an intro into the bibliography. Wednesday is the how-to. But some of you, we're all at different places in our research, and we realize that. So I thought this would give you the freedom to do what you want to do when you want to do it. So if you are completely done and you just want to get this bibliography over with, then take your exit ticket still from Monday's lesson, and then you can move on from this slide. So then the next slide is Wednesday's slide, and it says Wednesday's lesson starts here. You will need to watch this video. This video right here tells you everything that you need to know about making your bibliography or works cited page. The next slide has the examples that I talk about in the video. And then the last slide is there's no exit ticket. Your bibliography is your exit ticket. Oh, look at me. I'm in the cartoon. So it is up to you what you do today. You may end here when it says end of Monday's lesson, then just be done and go work on your research project some more, getting it into the slides, doing what you need to do. And then come back, and on Wednesday, your lesson on Wednesday will start with this video. But if you just want to go on, you can go on to Wednesday's lesson today. I'm leaving it up to you. Okay, any questions? Come to my helping hour. Bye.